stop scrolling right now because the 2026 Honda TRX125 might just be the small ATV that changes everything you thought you knew about entry-level off-road machines. Welcome back to Wheel-Wise Joe, the channel where we break down wheels, power, and performance without the hype. And today we're talking about Honda's newest and most talked about ATV, the 2026 Honda TRX125. The TRX125 is clearly aimed at riders who want a perfect balance between beginner friendliness and real Honda durability. From a first look, this ATV carries the classic TRX DNA with a modern twist. The design is compact, aggressive, and clean, making it look far more serious than a typical small displacement ATV. Honda has focused on keeping it lightweight and easy to control, which is exactly what new riders and younger off-road fans need. Underneath, the 2026 TRX125 is expected to feature a reliable four-stroke engine that prioritizes smooth power delivery rather than raw speed. This makes it ideal for trail riding, farm use, learning off-road skills, or just having fun without feeling overwhelmed. Honda's reputation for bulletproof engines really shines here, as this ATV is built to run for years with minimal maintenance. One of the biggest highlights is the rider-friendly ergonomics. The seat height is comfortable, the handlebars feel natural, and the foot positioning gives great control even for smaller riders. Honda has clearly designed this ATV so confidence comes first. Whether you're riding on dirt trails, open fields, or light mud, the TRX125 feels predictable and stable. Suspension on the 2026 TRX125 is tuned for comfort rather than extreme jumps, which makes sense for its category. It absorbs bumps well, keeps the ride smooth, and helps maintain traction on uneven surfaces. The braking system is responsive and reliable, giving riders peace of mind, especially those still learning throttle and brake control. Another strong point is safety. Honda is known for adding features that help prevent accidents, and the TRX125 is expected to follow that tradition with controlled throttle response and a stable chassis. Parents looking for a dependable ATV for younger riders will definitely appreciate that. Fuel efficiency is also a big win here. The TRX125 is designed to run longer on less fuel, making it perfect for long trail days or work around property without constant refueling. Overall, the 2026 Honda TRX125 isn't trying to be the fastest or the biggest ATV on the market. Instead, it focuses on reliability, ease of use, and classic Honda quality. If you're looking for an entry-level ATV that feels premium, dependable, and genuinely fun to ride, this one deserves your attention. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to subscribe to Wheel-Wise Joe, hit the like button, and let us know in the comments if the 2026 Honda TRX125 is on your wish list. Stay smart, stay safe, and keep it rolling.